Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Maz777 Naturals, and check this out, a new backdrop. I got fed up of you guys seeing what's in my room, so wanted to change. So this video, guys, is about this style. Can you see? The Loc Bun. I'm going to try my best to recreate this style for the sake of who was kept asking me. Let me see. Especially, I'm going to call you out now, Jackie's Lot and Sission PG. Please correct me if I pronounced that wrong, but for you girls, I know you want this style, so this one is for you. Not just for you, but for everyone who likes this style. This video is a well requested video. I posted this picture on Instagram and you guys wanted a tutorial. So guys, I'm going to try my very best to recreate it. So stay watching. Okay, so I have taken my hair down. It's all down. It's a bit wavy. Now, I've had this styling for 1 week. I did it on Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, nearly a week, 5 days. So it's quite moisturized already. And for this style, you will need your pins, hair pins, headscarf, of course, spray bottle. As always, moisturized in this bottle, as you know, for those of you who watch lots of my videos, spray bottle with rosewater, bottled water or purified water, and your favorite essential oils. My favorite ones is rosemary oil and tea tree oil. That's what's in this bottle at the moment. So you spray your hair. I like to spray my hair like the roots and that, because if I'm going to have my hair up for a period of time, I like to spray it. And also I put some oils in the scalp, just a little bit of oil in the scalp because you're going to have it up. Let's put a little bit of oil. So this retwist has lasted me since Saturday. It's not too bad considering I did work out this week as well. It's not done too bad. So basically, see, I've got a little, I hope you can see this, guys. I've got a little plait there where it was actually a new lock. It was on the hairline, just like the ones here. I don't know if I can show you that one. Remember this one? That's going nicely. It's growing nicely. My new lock, and there's one at the front. It's there, see? It's growing nicely. So basically, put all your hair into one. So use your rubber band. Put it in the bun like that. Okay. All the hairs are lying neatly. Okay. So once you've got it in your bun like that, now you can braid it in two. I'm going to do the same because I had a client who came today and she wanted to have this style, but with her I did 6 braids and wrapped it around. If anyone's seen my Instagram post, you will see that style on my Instagram story. So basically you braid it standing on a step, man. Right, so you braid it like that, right to the ends. If you've got any stray pieces, don't worry about it. You can just tuck them in after. So that's one braid. Okay. So guys, I had to redo it again off camera. So basically, when I was trying to put it up, it wasn't going how I did it the first time. So I took it all down, and this is how it should be, the ponytail. So it's meant to, what I did, I put the hair band on once, and when I actually did the style, I remember doing it twice, so that's why it wasn't going right. So basically, it's twisted on twice, the hairband. So what I did, instead of doing it in the 2, I did it in 4 braids. So simply, all you have to do is wrap it and tuck. There. Be wrapping it and tucking. Make sure you tuck in all the pieces. And you see this hair here, a new lock, just simply get that, lie it flat, and just tuck it underneath one of the other locks. See? Then that's it. Simple. Take it off, and voila. Hope you can see, guys. That tiny little lock I had at the back here, I simply got a little bobby pin and just tucked it underneath. So there you have it. I really hope you can see. So guys, you can accessorize with these little silver clip things. Just put them, you can put them on the bun there, or you put them on the hair, wherever you want really. Now, I just got this video done just in time before it got dark, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't remember which side. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos. Do pop your comments below, and if you've got any questions, let me know below, and share this video. And thank you all for watching. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.